Hi, in this lecture, I'll give complete understanding of bag of words in NLP, how bag of words model works, Python implementation of bag of words in NLP. Let's see concepts of bag of words first, then we will move to the Python implementation. Bag of words is a technique of extracting features from text data for machine learning tasks such as text classification and sentiment analysis. This is important because machine learning algorithm cannot process textual data. The process of converting the text to numbers is known as feature extraction or feature encoding. Here you can see in this scenario we have an entire box where I'm going to provide a set of lists where we have a small dog, cute cat and cute dog. But this bag of word has assigning the same word in a single sentence here. So what is the single sentence here? This would be the unique code for cat. This is occurring only one time in the entire list. This cute is showing 2. Why? Because cute is having frequency 2 in the next section and 1 in the third sentence. When we talk about dog, it is only 1 and 1 in first and third sentence respectively. Similarly, small is only 1, having only 1 occurrence in first statement, so we do not have another statement in upcoming sentence. This was the brief intro. How bag of words model works. This method involves converting text into a vector based on the frequency of words in the text without considering this order or context of the word. We are converting every word into this coding format. You can see this is a matrix. We will be seeing this matrix and this is the final bag of words. For each word you can see we have main points and we have covered this entire word in this given matrix. Okay, so we will focus building on Python implementation, but where we use this word. Imagine a social media platform that aims to analyze customer reviews and understanding the popularity of services among users. This platform decided to employ the bag of words method for processing customer reviews. These are few example or application of this bag of word pre-processing. First and foremost, I'm going to import the Python library pandas scikit-learn feature extraction and then count vectorizer. Let's import. If this is not installed in my LangChain environment, so I'll have to install using pip install code. Then I'm going to create few sentence. This would be kind of cumulative data and here I'm going to initialize some sentence. So how many sentence do I have? I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 6 sentences are there. With this 6 sentence we are going to convert or create a count vector using the count vector object. Let's create this variable and using this count vector variable I'm going to fit transform my data set here. So can you see I'm just creating this count vector for this one. Okay, so maybe I have not defined this one, data count and convert. Can you see now it's not showing any error because I had not defined this data list. Now I'm going to create this bag of words. Using this bag of word I'm just creating this count vector which is going to fit into array, then create a column with the count vector using the get feature names out. So for each word I'm going to create a pointer, or I would say this would be creating a bag of words of numerical values. So this is going to leverage out of the box functionality from the word to integer numbers and their respective numbers, their respective frequency are showing here as we had seen in the given example. So this is the conversion of my code. If you are going to print this bag of words, you can go back and print your sentence. This is going to convert this value. Okay, so I'm just executing this one, and can you see this is the final output. Now we have an output with integer numbers, and 71 columns are there, means overall 71 words will be there. For each word we have 6 rows. So therefore I'm going to convert each word into numerical values. This is how we can convert every word into numerical values, so that we can ingest into Llama, ChatGPT, OpenAI, or other advanced algorithms as well. Thank you.